Cool Mist Inhaler Compressor System Kit for Kids Adults by Poraxi is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Low noise technology, less than 65 decibels, input 110 V 60 Hz, current 0.8A. Effective therapy, particle size cool mist of 0.5-10 m, fit for all ages. Reliable range, compressor pressure range of 36 psi, liter flow range 6.8 lpm. Easy to use and carry, only one button operation. Small size 12 inches by 7 inches by 4 inches with handle make it easy to carry. 100% guaranteed satisfaction. 1-year warranty. If you have any question, please contact us. The manufacturer will try the manufacturer's best to help you to solve your problem. Poraxi compressor system is very efficient and can make it more easy to decompose solution. It breaks up the solutions and suspensions into small droplets so that they can be inhaled easily, suitable for full ages including kids and adults. Specifications. Particle size 0.5-10 m. Average conversion rate 0.3 milliliters min. Compressor pressure range 30-36 psi. Operating pressure range 8-16 psi. Liter flow range 6.8 lpm. Sound level 65 decibels. Medication capacity 5 milliliters. Power 110 V 60 Hz. Weight 4.6 pounds. 2.1 kilogram. Dimensions 12 inches by 7 inches by 4 inches. Package includes 1 compressor, 1 liquid cup, 1 air tube 57 inches, 5 air filters, 1 adult mask, 1 child mask, 1 mouthpiece, 1 user instruction.